I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Linking a bank account on Capital One can seem tricky, but it is actually pretty straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Capital One account. Before changing your settings, use the icerock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, find the Account Services section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your linked accounts. Step 3. Select Link a Bank Account. In the Account Services menu, look for the option that says Link a Bank Account. Click on it to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank information. You will need to provide your bank's routing number and your account number. Double check these numbers to avoid any errors. A common mistake is entering the wrong routing number, which can lead to delays in linking your account. Step 5. Confirm and finish. After entering your information, review it for accuracy and click Submit. You should receive a confirmation message once your bank account is successfully linked. And that's it. You're all set to manage your finances more easily with your bank account linked to Capital One. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help.